Ever wished you could dive into the world of crypto without feeling like you're bleeding money on fees? That every single transaction isn't just chipping away at your hard-earned capital? If you've ever looked at a crypto exchange's fee structure and thought, there has to be a better way, then you're in the right place. Because today, we're talking about Newton, a popular Canadian crypto platform, and more specifically, how you can leverage it to buy crypto with what feels like zero fees. Now, before we get too deep into the how-to, let's clarify what zero fees actually means in the crypto world. It's rarely truly zero, right? There's always a catch, a nuance, something that makes the platform sustainable. And Newton is no exception. While Newton proudly boasts of no commission fees, zero funding fees, and even covers the first $5 of your network withdrawal fees, their primary way of making money, like many exchanges, is through something called the spread. Think of the spread as the difference between the price at which Newton buys a cryptocurrency and the price at which they sell it to you. It's baked into the price you see, so you're not paying a separate fee on top, but it's still a cost. Newton spreads are generally considered competitive, typically ranging from 0.5% to 0.7%, though some sources say it can go up to 1.6% or even 2% for certain assets. This is how they keep the lights on and provide a seemingly fee-free experience. But here's the kicker. By understanding how to fund your account and manage your crypto on Newton strategically, you can minimize even this spread, making your crypto purchases as close to truly zero cost as possible. So, let's break down the journey of buying crypto on Newton, step by step, focusing on the fee minimizing strategies. Step 1. Setting up your Newton account, the foundation of fee-free trading. The very first step is, of course, creating your Newton account. This is straightforward, but crucial for compliance. You'll need to provide personal information for identity verification, Know Your Customer or KYC, which is standard practice for regulated exchanges. Newton prides itself on instant verification for most users, which means you can get started quickly. Why is this important for fees? Because a fully verified account allows you access to all funding methods, some of which are indeed completely free. Step 2. Funding your Newton account, where zero fees really kicks in. This is where the magic happens when it comes to minimizing costs. Newton offers several funding options, and choosing the right one is key to avoiding deposit fees. Interac eTransfer, your best friend for zero-fee deposits. For Canadian users, Interac eTransfer is hands down the most popular and, crucially, a free way to deposit Canadian dollars into your Newton account. It's usually very fast, often taking only a few minutes. You initiate the e-transfer from your bank, send it to the unique Newton email address provided in your account, and use the security question and answer Newton gives you. It's seamless and incurs no direct fees from Newton. This is the primary method you'll want to use to ensure you're getting your full fiat amount onto the platform. Wire transfer, for larger deposits, still free. If you're planning to make a larger deposit, typically over $10,000, though this can vary, a wire transfer is another free option. While it might take a few business days to process, Newton itself doesn't charge a fee for incoming wire transfers. Just be sure to check if your bank charges any outgoing wire transfer fees on their end. Direct bank deposits, via Plaid or Flink's convenient, also free. Newton integrates with services like Plaid or Flink's to allow for direct bank account linking and deposits. These are also free and offer a convenient way to fund your account directly from your bank. Crypto deposits, transferring existing crypto. If you already hold crypto on another exchange or in a personal wallet, you can transfer it directly to your Newton account. Newton does not charge fees for crypto deposits. However, you will pay the network transaction fee on the sending end, from your external wallet or exchange. While not a Newton fee, it's a cost to consider. The golden rule for funding: always choose a funding method that Newton explicitly states has zero deposit fees. Interac eTransfer is your go-to for most common deposit amounts. Step 3. Buying crypto on Newton, understanding the spread and minimizing its impact. Once your Canadian dollars are in your Newton account, you're ready to buy crypto. This is where the spread comes into play. Newton does not charge explicit trading commissions. Instead, they build their profit into the buy sell price. Market orders, the default experience. When you buy crypto on Newton, you're typically executing a market order. This means you're buying at the current best available price, which includes Newton's spread. The zero fee perception, because you don't see a separate line item for a trading fee, it feels like a zero fee transaction. And in a sense, it is, as the cost is already factored into the price you're shown. Minimizing spread impact. While you can't eliminate the spread, it's how Newton earns revenue. You can be mindful of it. Trading in liquid assets, high-volume cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, BTC, and Ethereum, ETH, generally have tighter spreads than less liquid altcoins. If you're looking to minimize the spread's percentage impact, sticking to these major assets can help. Timing your trades. In volatile markets, spreads can sometimes widen. While it's hard to perfectly time the market, being aware of extreme volatility might help you decide if it's the absolute best moment to buy for the tightest possible spread. Consider larger trades. Sometimes, for very small trade amounts, the spread can represent a larger percentage of your total trade. For more significant amounts, the spread's percentage impact often feels less noticeable. Step 4. Managing your crypto on Newton, withdrawals and network fees. So you've bought your crypto. What next? You might want to hold it on Newton, or you might want to withdraw it to a personal wallet for greater security or to use on other platforms. This is where network fees come in. Network fees explained. When you send crypto from one wallet to another, whether it's from Newton to your personal wallet or from your personal wallet to another exchange, you incur a network fee. This fee is paid to the miners or validators of the blockchain network, e.g., Bitcoin network, Ethereum network, to process and confirm your transaction. It's not a fee charged by Newton directly, but rather a cost of using the blockchain. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.